Okay guys, so welcome to day number 6 of our free dropshipping course. Now in this section, I'm going to be showing you guys how to find winning products using the Facebook search tool. Now the way that I'm going to be showing you this tool is a lot different from how everyone is doing it. So make sure you pay attention to this tutorial. Now, if you can do me a quick favor guys, it only takes 2 seconds. Can you please like this video? It will tell me if you guys like these type of content and if I should keep going with this course because this is free value that I'm dropping on the internet, which is not easy to do. It takes a lot of time putting together these curriculums for you guys. So if you could do me a favor, just like the video, that'll be greatly appreciated. Now, the first thing that you need to do is go to facebook.com and go to the search feature tool. So you can go to the search by going through this top left hand corner, just type in free shipping. Very simple. So once you select free shipping, the difference that you're going to want to do here is you want to sort it by videos. Once you sort it by videos and you select that, you want to go to the most recent videos. What this is going to show us is all the videos on the platform that are the most recent, and this is going to tell us if a video has a lot of views in a short amount of time. That tells us that that product is doing very, very well and you need to hop on that product. I don't want to show you guys a strategy that's going to show products that are back in 2018, 2019, or even 2020. I want to show you guys current products that you can go out there and start promoting without the saturatedness or without people have already seen the ad and things like that. I need to show you guys the current 2021 strategy. So what you're going to see here is you're going to see a lot of new videos that have a lot of views. So we can go through these videos. Here's one with 194,000 views. If we click it, you can see that it has 130 comments, a lot of likes. We can go through these comments just to see what other people are saying about the product. I'm pretty sure they're saying great things about it. So I can go on AliExpress and find this product. It's called the baby blanket. So once I type that in, I can sort it by orders. Once I sort it by orders, all I have to do is literally look for that product. And here's the product with 900 orders, with over half of those orders being 400 reviews. So you can get this product for about $14, sell it for $34.99, maybe even more, make a really good profits, about $20. So I can't complain with that. You know, this is a high demand product that the ads literally just launched January 1st of 2021. Now let's go back and keep going. Let's keep looking for these products. So here's another product right here. It has about 159,000 views on this product. It looks like it sharpens your knife in seconds. So we can go and see how much they're selling for this product. And all this process that I'm showing you guys is step by step. I need you guys to follow exactly what I'm doing. You know, I'm not doing too much, research. Is just validating if this product is selling. So this product has about 13,000 orders with 1,500 reviews. Looks like a really nice, simple product to add to your store. You can get it for about $4 and sell it for about $15, $20. You can do quantity breaks with this product and do buy one, get one free, or buy two, get one free, or whatever the case may be, guys. There's a lot of creative things you can do with this product, which is very nice. So here's another one. I think this is the exact same product as that one. It has about 200,000 views. And this is from the same store. Look at that. So in combined total, it has almost 400,000 views. So that tells me this product is in high demand. So let's keep going. This one has about 74,000 views. It's another knife sharpener. So this is a different type of knife sharpener. So this product is selling for about $75.81, which is a higher ticket item. I can go on AliExpress and look for that product. It has about 4,000 orders, 4,200 orders. Here's another one that's 3,000 orders. So I can go in here if it's shipping from China. If you can get those US shipping, guys, that's going to be key. So $30, and they're selling it for about $75. Wow, that's great profits. So you can spend $20 to acquire a customer and still make a pretty good amount of money. So this is a really, really good product if you ask me. So this is basically how to find products using the Facebook search tool. And not only are you finding old products, but you're finding recent products that you can go out there and start advertising, guys. So let's do one more, guys. This one has about 20-some thousand views. This is something fun to promote. Looks like you can put your cat, like a kangaroo pouch or something like that. If we go into here, we can select that and see how much they're selling it for. So they're selling it for about $49. Wow. So it has about 31 orders. Okay. So remember, guys, these are new products to promote. So if it's doing well, you know, this is very unique. You know, I would put this in the unique category. You know, I've never seen something like this. It's something fun. I think a lot of cat lovers would like it. So this is, you know, they're getting it for about $20. You know, there's different variants, different colors, something for a lot of people to choose from. $20, and they're selling it for about $49. So you can make $30 profit with this product, and this could be easily a one product store. Very nice product pages, a lot of pictures. They got some GIFs, reviews, all the pretty standard things that you need on a product page. So guys, go out there and implement this strategy immediately. This is going to be the last product research video for this section of the course. So in my next couple of videos, I'm going to be going over the actual Shopify store, the things that you're going to need, such as Shopify apps, all the back end things that you would need for your store. And then we're going to get into Facebook advertisements by the weekend. And I'm really excited to share those videos with you guys. So what I want you guys to do is drop in the comments your feedback on the things that you would like to see in the future in this course. And if you guys want to be notified for when I drop my next video, make sure you hit the notification bell so you can get notified when I drop that video. So I hope you guys have a great rest of your day. Stay safe. Let's grind all day, every day throughout 2021. This is our year. So it's been another video of the Ecom Lab. I will see you guys on the next one.